Hey there, it's Jen. Welcome back to Work It Daily, the channel that helps you turn your frustration into career success. Today, I'm going to tell you why people won't accept your LinkedIn invitations. And if you like today's video, be sure to subscribe and click the little bell for notifications. All right, let's dive in. LinkedIn is a big part of networking these days. It's a great platform to manage and nurture your valuable connections. But are you networking on LinkedIn the wrong way? Are your LinkedIn invitations not converting to connections? Are your LinkedIn requests getting ignored? Here are 3 reasons why. 1, you don't provide a personalized invitation in your LinkedIn message. If a random person walked up to you on the street and said, "Hey, you don't know me, but let's be friends," would you welcome them with open arms? Probably not. When you send out a generic LinkedIn invitation without explaining yourself, that's basically what you're doing. Introduce yourself and tell them why you want to connect. It really makes a big difference. 2, you don't have a professional photo, or even worse, you don't have a photo at all. That may sound shallow, but it's true. If you have a LinkedIn profile picture, people are going to take you more seriously. And if you have a professionally done photo, your chances are even better. People want to know who's trying to connect with them. Not even that, but if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, people are going to think that you're not taking your personal brand seriously. 3, your headline is awful. Does any of the following sound like your current LinkedIn headline? You use "looking for opportunities" or "seeking new opportunities." You don't use proper capitalization, punctuation, grammar, and/or have spelling mistakes. Your headline doesn't accurately showcase your brand. Unfortunately, no one's going to take you seriously if you do any of these things in your headline. You need to make sure your headline is clear, branded, and accurately represents who you are so people know you're legitimate. Think your LinkedIn strategy needs more help? Check out our video, 5 things you can do today to get noticed on LinkedIn, for more in-depth tips. If you think it's time to start looking for a new job but aren't sure where to start, check out our free job search tutorial. It'll show you all the common mistakes people make when job searching and how to avoid them. What else do you think holds you back when making connections on LinkedIn? Tell us in the comments. I hope this helps you with your LinkedIn strategy. We'll see you in the next video, and remember, if you want to win, you have to work it daily.